Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I wanted to put this video together to officially announce the February event, Familiars in February. So I am just going to run through how you take part. So, Familiars in Feb. What is a familiar? As many of you know, I am a practicing witch, I am a Wiccan, and for me, a familiar is an animal that I feel a deep connection with and one that has responded in connection to me. The exact meaning of familiar may differ for you, and that is completely fine. So all you need to do is find a craft activity that is linked to your familiar. That can be a pet animal, a real animal, it can be a magical or fantastical animal, it can be fairies, gnomes, sylphs, whatever you would like to include. What you then need to do is come up with a craft that celebrates that animal or creature, that familiar. As I say, it is all crafts, not just diamond painting, although I do recognise that a lot of you are going to be diamond painting. But if you want to do paint by numbers, if you want to do pyrography, if you want to do cross stitch, crochet, knitting, colouring books, anything you like, I'm not putting any restrictions on this. The only thing I will say is that if you're using somebody else's art, licensed artwork is encouraged. So, what do you then need to do? The event runs from the 1st of February to the 29th of February, and the prizes will be announced during my Wednesday night lives, which are 8 PM UK. Throughout the event though, strongly recommend that you share your progress wherever you like to share things, be that Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and just use the hashtag Familiars in Feb. So, to be eligible for prizes, you need to be subscribed to me. Here, you also need to join my Facebook group, which is the Crafty Coven. And if you can't have Facebook for some reason, please email me. My email is in the description for this video. So, there is a chat thread on the Facebook group where you can add your start photos, and then join us on Wednesday nights for the live to see if you have won a prize. Prize winners will get 1 week to claim their prize, and then any non-claimed prizes will be redrawn in the last week. So please do take part and support our generous sponsors as well. We are so lucky. So sponsors for this event in no particular order are, we have Bella Art Diamonds, who are offering a diamond painting. We have Bella Art de Nicole, who are offering a gift card. Crafted Makes, who was a wonderful sponsor last year, incredibly popular, hopefully will be doing us a custom item, hopefully a pen again. We also have Sarah Rose, who is an amazing illustrator, and she is offering her colouring book of magical unicorns. Pencil Surprises, our dear friend Sharon, will be offering some resin items. We have Pam diamond paintings with 2 $20 gift cards. And alongside that, I have my own prize packs to offer. Final sponsor is Cloisonne Kit. You may have seen I myself have been working on one of their kits for a while now, and they have offered me a 20% off code for all of you throughout the whole runtime of this event, and in fact it is valid from the 20th of January. That code will be on screen now, you'll be able to see that. So I think that's probably everything I need to say. I am also struggling with my voice right now, as you can probably hear. I am still very much in recovery, hence there being no live video this evening. If you have questions, comments, please do leave them down below and I will respond to all of you as quickly as I can. Do come over to the Facebook group, join in the chat and start thinking about what you want to use for this event, what canvas or what project you're going to do, and what animal you're going to be celebrating. So that's all from me for today. Please do all those YouTubey things and share this event with a friend who might also be interested. Thank you to those of you that support me over on Patreon. You mean the absolute world. And hopefully a much healthier me will see you in the next video. And until then, stay crafty.